This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Morning guys, October 15, 2018. This one here, guy's got a leaky tub valve leaking. He wants me to change it. I told him I might be able to just replace the parts in it. Before he said it's a Symmons valve, so we'll take a look at it. It's starting to cool off now.
Russell's Mills Road.
I'm gonna try to get you some shots when I get there, see what's going on with it. Alright, they got a shower valve in here instead of a tub shower valve, so I gotta change this bottom diverter. This plate's no good. I got another one of them. I get a lift spout here on the bottom, so we'll just change the diverter in here and we'll be alright. We can fix it. Should be able to.
That's the inverter, huh?
I'll show you what I mean.
Is it like a cylinder?
There's a black one in there
Yeah.
because it's a shower valve.
Uh-huh.
The tub and shower valve needs to be a white one.
Oh.
So if I just change that diverter, I
Yep.
turn this into a tub shower valve, you won't need to use that bottom lift lever on that spout.
That would be good. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why it never worked right.
See, I don't know why they don't have stock or what.
Whoever put it in there, I bet you it's a black one in there instead of a white one. We'll see when we pull it out.
Oh yeah.
A little crusty there looking.
That's what I'm saying. I'm hoping that it don't all fall apart. You know, because that'd be a bitch. I mean, I'd rather just see it go in easy. Yeah.
Man, she's crusty looking.
Yeah. You know, I think it's probably the iron and stuff in the water, because we get a lot of minerals in that.
Did the plates, was something wrong with the plate too?
You?
No, he said it was...
No, we'll just put in. I'll put a new plate on there,
Sure.
a cover plate. I'll put a new cover plate. We'll make it look like brand new for you.
Yeah. Awesome. I mean, you're talking probably about 25 years old, maybe?
I'm not sure.
Yeah. Now, Steve, do you have any time today at all?
What else you need done?
I just got an outside faucet. It needs to either be repacked or replaced.
Yeah, we can look at
I
that.
get the water shut off on it, so if you want to take a look at it, it's
Okay. Yeah, it might be an easy.
Oh yeah.
Might be an easy fix. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, I don't know if it's a frost free though, because we're on the slab here. Yeah, so you got more to take out?
Yeah, it's a black one. That's what the problem is. Yeah.
Maybe whoever put that in didn't have the white one, just shoved the black
No,
one.
they just. You could buy either a shower valve or a tub and shower valve.
Uh-huh.
And they bought the.
Going to the sauce, huh?
Don't sound like it, does it? See, it's black.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
for the
yeah,
shower.
Yeah, I seen them replace that in this old house once. They had trouble with...
So they got a black one and then they got a white one. The white one is for the tub and shower,
Oh, shit.
and the black one is strictly shower. This is a volume control,
Yeah.
and this is a diverter.
Oh, okay.
That's the difference.
Okay. All right.
And this plate here,
Yeah.
you can tell it's a shower because it says volume control on it. See it?
Oh, shit, yeah.
Volume control, so I knew it was a shower.
Yeah.
The tub says tub, shower.
Shower, yeah.
Tub and shower on
Tub and
there.
shower.
I'll show you. I got the new plate I'm going to give you.
You're gonna make a plumber out of him, yeah.
Maybe.
No.
Maybe make a plumber out of you, huh?
Yeah, I mean, I'm game. I'm saying, well, I'm only 64. All these young kids, they don't want to work today.
Probably not.
You know, it sucks. Have you watched this whole house? They're all short of these guys. You know, you can't find people to work, do the job.
Can't find anybody.
No, you can't. It's so sad. Camera for that? That's cool.
Yeah, got any problems, you know?
Yeah, I hear you. That's a good idea. I never thought of that. You're more than plumbers today.
Yeah, give this thing a cleaning with a fitting brush.
Yeah, it's tough. Yeah.
Well, sometimes it gets debris in there and this cleans it before you stick the new diverter in there.
I mean, how can you see it? It's kind of dark, you know? Flashlight. You want me to hold a flashlight up?
No, I'm good.
All right. Yeah, I missed them. Good. Good.
So the new one going in there is going to be a white.
Yeah, it's kind of moody at times, but I still like them, you know.
Who's that, your dog?
Yeah, yeah. It's like a human, you know. We go for a walk, we get down to the first one, see the stop sign, right? He'd just stand there. He wouldn't budge.
He wouldn't budge.
He wouldn't budge. Did I want to go one way, he wouldn't want to go that way. He'd want to go his own way. So I'd have to go where he wanted to go.
Well, how old was he?
He died at 10.
Oh, kind of young, yeah.
Yeah, he died. I think he had cancer or something.
Really?
Yeah, he was bleeding. It's your phone again.
The flipping phone today going ringing off the hook, huh?
Yeah, it's Monday, that's what it is. Everybody's got to hear it there.
Ringing off the flipping hook.
I think so. I don't know. What are you going to do? Yeah, but yeah, like you say, he was like a family member, you know? It sucks.
Yeah.
Yeah, one time I got hold of my wallet, chewed up my Visa card.
Did he?
Yeah. I had to call Visa and that's what happened. What's the issue? Deutsch Visa card. Jesus. Oh, he did anything. I think that's the problem because.
What kind of dog was it?
It was a Alaskan Husky.
Oh, a husky.
It was a big dog, you know, and he knocked you over. You know, if you come running to the door and you're in the way, just take you out.
Knock you right over.
Right? That must be the same person calling you. He's
I'm not answering it because then I'll answer it. I'll look at the messages later.
Yeah, I mean, you go. I mean, jeez. You gotta get a robot to answer your phone for you. They must have these AI robots to screen your calls for you. So as simple as that piece makes the difference between this level of working.
Yeah, because the other one wouldn't work because it was a shower valve when you were trying to do volume control.
Yeah, yeah.
So the volume control gives you less volume. Now this is a strictly a diverter. It's going to divert it from the top to the bottom.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah, it'll work really good now.
Yeah, I don't know. Shut it off. Its face shut off. It's something like, what's with that guy in this old house he replaced? Some guy had water problems. He didn't get enough hot water, so they put a new system in his house. It was a new system with combined heat. The heat pump with a water tank. I never seen that before.
Oh yeah. Try to reinvent the wheel with all this crazy shit.
Yeah, exactly. You always get this. I said, why did they do that?
All right, I'm gonna put a gasket on the back there to stop all that leakage.
I appreciate that. Yeah, because I don't know. That guy's consistent. Yeah. I'll tell you.
Man, the flipping phone today's going ringing off the hook, huh?
Yeah. Well, it's good business, but I mean, you can only do so much. Like I said, we need more plumbers. We need more electricians.
Need more something.
Yeah, need another way. Wait a minute, hold on.
Yeah, let's. Ringing off the flipping hook, mama. Phone's ringing off the hook.
That time of year, it's starting to get a little chilly out. I mean, everybody's gone. Put a gasket in there will help the water divert, around the edges instead of it dumping. It'll work now. I knew it was a problem as soon as I came in here and I seen the plate. I knew it was a shower valve in there. It should be a tub and shower valve. Until this mistake plate, they probably took off a 3-handle valve at one time. Alright. And, she's a little crusty looking, Mama. A little crusty looking. But something we can't fix up for the guy. Put a new plate in there. And be like a new valve. I even got another button for him because the other one had issues. This button's all breaking apart. I got a new one for him. Handle button. Part number T33. There we go. So I put the new gasket in there to stop the leakage. I changed this diverter from a shower to a tub style. Changed the plate. Now it should work. See, they had put this spout in there for the shower, but it worked now with this. There we go. You don't need to use this anymore, just leave that alone.
In 1 3/4 of a mile, turn left on Francis Old Lane.